Veda Mantras, sacred sounds for spiritual practice. Veda mantras, composed of holy sounds and verses, hold a significant place in Hindu rituals, ceremonies, and spiritual practices. Chanting Veda mantras is believed to awaken the body's natural healing mechanisms and invoke positive energy. This article explores the significance of Veda mantras, their therapeutic benefits, and the importance of chanting them in the correct and systematic manner. The power of Veda mantras. Veda mantras are regarded as potent energy-based sounds that carry deep spiritual vibrations. These mantras have been passed down through generations and are considered sacred in Hinduism. The rhythmic recitation of Veda mantras during rituals, pujas, and sadhanas is believed to establish a profound connection with the divine. Healing and spiritual benefits. Chanting Veda mantras is not only a religious practice but also a means of promoting physical and mental well-being. It is believed that the vibrations produced by the chanting of these mantras have a harmonizing effect on the body and mind. Regular and dedicated chanting of Veda mantras is said to bring about inner peace, spiritual growth, and a sense of connectedness with the divine. Systematic chanting for optimal results. To derive substantial benefits from Veda mantras, it is essential to chant them in the right manner and with a systematic approach. Generally, it is recommended to chant Veda mantras between 10,000 to 100,000 times to harness their full potential. Such a practice requires discipline, devotion, and a dedicated time frame. Chanting Veda mantras with sincere faith and belief can help individuals attain spiritual elevation, good health, wealth, and fortune. Guidance from a learned guru or master. Given the intricate nature of Veda mantras, it is advisable to learn and practice them under the guidance of a learned guru or master. These knowledgeable individuals possess the expertise to teach the correct pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the mantras. Their guidance ensures that the practitioner receives the maximum spiritual benefits and avoids any inadvertent errors in pronunciation or interpretation. Conclusion. Veda mantras hold immense spiritual and therapeutic significance in Hindu culture. Chanting these sacred sounds with devotion and sincerity can invoke positive energy, promote healing, and facilitate spiritual growth. The systematic and disciplined practice of Veda mantra chanting, preferably under the guidance of a learned guru, can help individuals experience the profound benefits of these ancient and powerful mantras. Embracing the practice of Veda mantra chanting with faith and belief opens doors to divine connection, inner peace, and holistic well-being.